And what is this? It's a traffic jam consisting only of trucks waiting here for hours, maybe days. The locals are bringing food, hot water, and what else they need. And it's been maybe for 5 kilometers already. And we are curious, how far? How long will this continue? How long will the truckers have to wait? So we'll see. Gonna have to catch up with Sebastien. To see him. So let's get him. Oh, he's going out. He's going out. Let's go out too. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Right. Whoa, 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 whoa. How many trucks? Trucks. All day trucks. But now they're turned off at least. Yeah. Ooh. Icy ground. It's cold. I nearly lose my fingers. Yeah. Going up. Enjoy the ride. So what do the street signs say? Way station. How heavy are the trucks? See, way station. Ah, and now the road is free. Free for the bicycles. Woo! Let's bring it on.